Almost forgot. I'm a YouTuber again, remember? Apparently. Bubble, say good morning to the world. Hey, Right, folks, how are you all doing? So, today is going to be a building day. So here's the wood that we got last night. It's just sort of rammed in there. Bit of a sheet. The idea is the sofa off, and build a bench the whole way across, right back to there, and then the fridge is going to sit here. Water tank for the shower's buried under there as well. I'm going to move that over, and then this is going to sort of lift up. Because this sofa was all right on my own. It's never been that comfy because the arms curve, so you always sat on the edge here. Otherwise, you sort of twisted. So, and now with two of us in here, it's definitely not comfy. So, or three of us actually. So yeah, I'm going to need to change it. So that is the plan for today. So you can see it's just a complete waste of space. There's my heater living down there. I did this the other day just as a quick bodge the other night. There's a duct that comes out the back now, so it's sucking in from inside here. It was a complete bodge, and I will do a better job. But it already made a massive difference. It's so much hotter drawing the air from in here than it was from in the garage. But yeah, so remember what I said before about when your van's finished, it's never going to be finished. Well, this is exactly what I was talking about, because you're always going to have different ideas or circumstances are going to change. So just be prepared for that if you're building now, because like whatever you do, it's never going to be done. I think it's a lifelong project, to be honest, so that's what you're getting into. Look at that though, we ain't seen that for a while. In the camera, we got the Talbot. I don't think I'd ever see that again, to be honest. I'm about to open the side door for the first time in months. Got it? Oh, it's frozen. It's frozen.
Hello.
You bastard, that's bright.
Huh?
That's bright. Not had this much light in here for a while. Okay.
Oh, then we can. Okay.
Gonna peel that off.
Oh, then we can sweep everything out.
Yes.
Wow, so bright. I love it. Oh, mate, I can't wait so much. But it's not going to be fun in my van anymore.
Yeah, it is. I'll stick it on your passenger seat. Your window's open.
What the f? Man, hang on. I need to open it for you because the pin's frozen.
So weird having the door open.
Why the hell is it keep opening?
Reminds me of summer. This is going to be fun. Can't really remember how I got it in.
Just rip it.
Oh, it's still attached to the floor. Bend over. There we go. Oh, you beauty.
Oh no.
Alright.
You just need my help.
No, I think I'm going to take the feet off. I could even cut away this step area as well. Throw that wood away. That'll be more weight out.
Bastard.
I don't know how I got in.
Probably through this bit here.
Maybe it was. I'll lift it high. I think it might have been. Okay, that's okay. So if you grab the bottom.
Maybe you turned it the other way around.
Spin it.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
It's whilst recording as well. Let's make some comedy.
Oh wait.
Me to you.
Right now, turn. Pivot! Another friend's quote you don't get. He's getting it though because he's watching it now. Yeah, okay, right, good.
But it's still got to go through the same gap.
Yeah, perfect. Oh wait, no, not perfect at all. Well. Oh, there we go.
I might have just squeezed it. No, that ain't, there's no way. Size of the back, there's no way.
Mate, how the How did you get it in?
Don't know.
Didn't get it in through the garage, did you? No. We'll see that.
Right. New plan. I'm just going to cut it up in here. So it's basically...
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
So then we might even be sitting on the floor tonight.
I don't know why we don't just sit on the floor anyway.
I know, because it's freezing and uncomfortable.
Yeah, but obviously make it comfortable.
Right, so I want to take the skin off and keep it. So I might be able to use it on other things. And I'll just cut the bastard in half. If anyone wants a sofa and you can get to Chamonix one day ago, you can have it.
Wait, has it got foam inside and it's just wood?
It's got foam here because I'll put it in.
Yeah, my
And around the edges I might be able to use it. Right. Let's reverse.
I hate stuff like this. Careful of the pipe.
I'll do.
Okay. Right.
Ripped all the outside off. Nice cheap shit furniture board underneath. And all the stuff I want to keep, including the leather. Getting there. Right. How do you feel now? Beaten by this. Now I reckon this is probably one of the best saws you can buy, you know. Swiss Army knife. Really rips through things. Right, now I've got a cleanish area to play with. And these cloths, blankets are here because apparently I didn't insulate it properly. So I'm getting draft. But I'm going to do a better job this time. Alright. Time to figure out what on earth I'm going to do. Alright, this is where we're at now. That's where the fridge is going to go. I've just got to cut into this raised floor bit, which I've done a bit. I need to do it some more so that this drops down into the floor. So otherwise the sofa's going to be way too high. So, yeah, there we go, look, the fridge is sunk into the floor a bit now. So that's our height, because that's now on the ground floor, so can't go any lower than that. Yeah, getting there. Where we're at, threw some more insulation down there because it was horrendous. Draft coming through. Got the cross beams on. It's going to go sort of across like that. And this side of the lift, that side of the lift. Cool. Alright, I just cut the top platform. So we're going to have a look. We'll see how it's all going to fit. It's kind of interesting doing this in a flipping car park, you know. Means the van has to be a state while I build it, but I was thinking about doing this when I go back to England, but now the England plan has changed again, I think. I do miss having the fridge in here. That's for damn sure. It's a pain in the arse having to go in the garage every time. It's tricky because I've got stuff on my wall and it's the exact size that it needs to be, so let's pop this in. A little haircut, probably a few mil. Bollocks. Hit me up with the goodies. That's the little hidden bit.
Oh, it's really nice. Some pears.
Oh,
Because they were fish and I thought I fancy a pear in the morning or maybe later. I was going to get the branded ones, but these are a bit cheaper, so I got these.
whoa.
Fingers.
Yeah.
And I've got some more biscuits. And I'll get you this.
Oh, sneeuwbradje.
I got this.
McGallagher.
Only because what was it called?
Goodness, she's a good lass.
What's it called? The one we have. William Peel was €14 for 70 CL, and this is a litre, and this was 15. So it probably tastes like shit, but whiskey's whiskey to me, I think. But before we drink, we're gonna have a glass of lemon water, because I feel very shit.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Finny. Well, half Finny. Finny for today. It's a bit different. Oh, I can't move. This bit lifts up.
Oh, we can clean the fridge out.
Fridge.
I'll clean the fridge out. Where you put your tools away, and I can put some shit in there.
Yeah, I need to wire it up.
Is it plugged in? No.
Right folks, I'm gonna make yesterday's video now. So I just bodged it together for tonight. So much more space. I don't think anything else is gonna happen today, so yeah, I shall see you tomorrow.